Hi there, friends. Before we dive into crafting amazing website with AI's help, let's take it from the very beginning, shall we? Now, you might be wondering, do I really need to know my way around to start something with ChatGPT? Short answer, not necessarily. But trust me, having a bit of know-how under your belt makes a world of difference. It's like knowing the rules of the road before you hit the gas pedal. It just made the journey smoother and safer. So in today's video, we're not just jumping into the deep end. No, we're starting out with the basics, the ABC of website creation, and that means HTML. Don't worry if you're thinking HTML sounds like another TED acronym. That's going to fly right over my head. I promise I'll keep it simple, straightforward, and yes, even a bit fun. We're going to break it down together step by step, so you will be whipping up web pages with the confidence of a pro in no time. I'm Carlos P, and welcome to Code Plus AI. In this channel, we let AI take care of the big tasks while we handle the finishing touches. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment to stay updated with everything about AI and coding. What's HTML? Imagine like the skeleton of a website. Just like our bones keep us standing and give us shape, HTML does that for website. It's the code that tells your browser what each part of a website is supposed to look like. HTML let us build the basic structure of website. It's how we create different parts of a page, like heading, paragraphs, and image, making everything look good and work right for anyone who visits. HTML is one of the main languages in the internet, along with CSS for styling, JavaScript for actions. Using HTML the right way can help more people find your website through search engines like Google. Plus, it makes your site more accessible to everyone, including people who use assistive technology to browse the web. First things first, we need a place to write our HTML code. This is where a text editor comes in. Think of it as your digital notepad, but for coding. Here we're going to use Visual Studio Code. Now let's write your very first HTML code with AI. Go to ChatGPT, and then in the prompt you're gonna write this. Could you please make the code for a basic web page? It should have the right setting for computers and phone, including the page title as a welcome, a short description for beginners, and also include a small icon. The main part of the web page should say, "Hello to my website." I only need the HTML code. Now let's explore the result. The first line, the doc.html file, is where all starts. It tells your web browser that this document is an HTML5 document, ensuring it gets read correctly. The HTML. Think of this as the container of your entire web page. Everything goes inside this tab. The head. This part doesn't display content directly on the web page. Instead, it holds essential information about the page, like its title and meta tag. There is more meta tags that you need to be aware, but we're going to explore the basic one. The chart set. Ensure your page can display any character from any language, making it universal readable. The viewport content width is crucial for making your page look good on all devices, from phone to desktop, by scaling the page size appropriately. The title. Set the name of your page. This is what you see on the browser tab. The description provides a brief description about your page. The link rel icon is a small icon called favicon that appears in the browser tab. The body. This is where all the content that is going to be shown in the website goes inside. The H1 is our first piece of content. It's a heading that will show and display properly on the website. You may be asking, what is an HTML tag? Well, imagine as the Lego block of the internet. Each piece or tab has a special shape that tells your web browser how to show stuff on your screen. You will recognize these tabs because they're wrapped in an angle breaker like this. Let's explore the basic one, the heading, from H1 to H6. Think of the heading like the title on a book cover, or chapter name. H1 is your main heading, like the book title, and H2 to H3 is going down after chapter and title, getting less important as the number goes up. A quick tip, your main title, the H1, helps everyone understand what your page is about, including Google. P tab or paragraph. This is how you write your story or information. Each P is a new part of your story. The E tab is the link or anchor tab. Connect your page to other place, like a doorway to someone else on the internet. The ing or image tab, as you imagine, is the tab that we use to show image on the website. The ul, ol, li is a list that helps you make points clear, with ul for bullet points and ol for number list. Li represents element to the list. And div or division. This is the box that can hold different parts of your page together. It's great for when you need to organize your page. These tabs are your tools to build almost anything on a web page. I don't want to keep you here too long, so let's start wrapping this up. Today we dive into the ABC of HTML, covering the essential, from the very structure of an HTML document to the key tabs that are the real world horse behind any web page. These tabs form the foundation, providing the structure for every site you browse. Like mastering any language, getting comfortable with HTML comes down to practice. In our next video, we're going to take what we learned and apply it to building our very first website, but with a twist. We'll be using AI and diving into the semantic HTML to make our site not just functional, but meaningful and accessible. Thanks for watching, and this is Code Plus AI. See you in the next video.